Hey guys, welcome to FullerMoto. Man, can you believe it? It's been 4 years that we have been in this building, literally to the day. We opened this place with a big old party thanks to MultiCam 1 week after we moved in. Total rager, and guess what? I'm ready, man. It's been too long. COVID's held us back. FabTech is in Atlanta this year, and we are throwing down November 9th, Wednesday. Make sure you get over and see them, and you can see all of this. The motorcycles, the Z28, the Chop Top LaSalle, the big bad boy 650 horse FJ Cruiser, the Tesla powered Cougar. I mean, and this is where it's all gonna go down, right here, in the MultiCam water jet. You know what that's gonna be full of, don't you? Cold beer. So, get by the MultiCam booth, come see me, see the guys, learn about the party. Wednesday, November 9th, it's gonna be fun. So, get by MultiCam, talk to them, better see you here.